properties are selling like hotcakes.
Professional realtors and celebrities are buying up virtual land for millions of dollars.
There is a building boom breaking out. It is happening in a fake world called the metaverse.
People are spending millions of dollars on buying virtual land in a virtual world to make virtual money.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, man. I definitely want to show y'all everything about the metaverse, man. I want to put y'all on game on who taught me how to do this metaverse thing, man, who motivated me to even make this video for y'all, man. This is my homie, Squad Money. Y'all gotta follow him on Instagram. Y'all gotta subscribe to his YouTube channel, man. He drop a lot of germs. You heard?
What up, y'all? This Squad Money, man. And today we're gonna chop it up about the metaverse. Something me and bro been doing for a little minute now. So with the knowledge I've learned over the last 2 or 3 months, I'm gonna share with y'all some of the stuff I done learned. Basically, the metaverse is part of Web3, which is the evolution of our internet, where you'll be able to use your digital persona in a virtual reality world where you'll be able to game, shop, and socialize with other people without actually having to be there.
And you're gonna be able to do almost anything you can imagine. Get together with friends and family, work, learn, play, shop, create, as well as entirely new categories that don't really fit how we think about computers or phones today.
So to put that in perspective, instead of going online at home on your computer, you putting on a virtual reality headset and entering these worlds and actually seeing items up close, 3D, full scale, exactly what size and all of that, without having to actually be there. So it's not just flat screen no more, it's all around. You could even turn around and there's stuff that'll actually be behind you if you was inside of stores or wherever you shop. As y'all can see, these big companies are investing in the metaverse, which means you'll be able to buy limited edition NFTs, which you'll be able to use in the metaverse, where the shoes you'll be able to have them on, clothes you'll be able to wear, and show off the blockchain that these are authentic purchases from these NFTs that these companies are creating, which is like bragging rights. It's kind of going to be like flexing in the metaverse. You know how you like to wear it now? It's going to be just like that. These same NFTs that you're buying and purchase from these companies, in the future down the line, you can sell maybe for more money. You know what I mean? So that's going to be part of how you can shop and how shopping going to be working in the internet and the metaverse. Basically, there's 2 ways you can game in the metaverse depending on which route you take with it. So like, say for instance, if you're taking the business route and you buy land in the metaverse, you can actually set your land up like as your personal amusement park. Different games and assets that people actually want to keep revisiting your land to see, and you can charge for it. You'll have a developer to make certain games that you like, that you want, like if your land was a credit land. You'll have little credit games that people like to play that they telling other friends about to go visit your land, you know, hearsay, because you have nice games set up on your land. Other route is like far as if Call of Duty 2K own land in the metaverse, you might want to go visit their land and play certain Call of Duty games you like. It's 2 different ways you can game in the metaverse depending on which way you want to go with it. And another thing, what y'all gotta remember, when y'all hiring developers, or if you are developers and it's gonna be building on the metaverse land, you actually still have to follow like architectural guidelines.
Zoning rules limit what and where a company can build in the metaverse. But unlike the real world, metaverse buildings can defy the laws of physics.
Since those specific guidelines are in place, it's gonna be a higher demand for more architects, developers, creators, people that actually know how to create assets, homes, little things for the metaverse for people to purchase. So that just creates doors for developers and people that actually go to school for that type of stuff.
Investors anticipate a future in which digital property owners can work with brands that want a presence in these growing digital worlds.
Basically, the metaverse gonna benefit small businesses more because it's open to a global community now.
This is not just an opportunity to continue to build their brand, but it's a way to introduce their brand to a whole new demographic of people that are young, gamers, into crypto and all these types of things.
So even another way your business will be great in the metaverse due to the fact that if you had 2 plots of land and it was all the way on each side of the map, instead of having to get moving trucks, movers to pay to pick up your stuff to move it, you could just move it at the click of a button now. So that even helps save money without wasting all the stuff you used to waste. Now it's just a click of a button to do everything, and a click of a button for customers to visit your store instead of having to travel. And they actually, with the virtual, they get to see it, how they see it if they was actually there.
This is something that's going to continue to appreciate and appreciate quickly if the trend of people congregating in these environments continues to grow.
Thanks to cryptocurrency such as Ethereum, the metaverse is creating its own economy, which is great because if you buy a piece of land now or an NFT, which is worth 1 Ethereum, which is around $3,000 as of today's date, in 10 years, it could be worth like $200,000, $300,000, which is more than people make in 10 years. Some people make less than that in 10 years. That's why I'm encouraging you to get educated now more on the subject and get ahead of the curve, because once it take off, it's not coming back to what we at today with it. Either not reachable for some or just too much for a person to invest in and still be able to function day to day. So right now is the time for you guys to learn more on this subject and get in tune with this subject. You do not want to let this pass you up. It don't happen every day. So other benefits for the metaverse is, say for instance you was having a stressful day and you just throw on a headset and go play a favorite game you like in the metaverse to make your day feel a little better. Or if you was handicapped and you want to enjoy a concert from the safety of your home, you could do that with the metaverse. If you couldn't afford certain stuff, or if you don't have too much time on your hands to make it, you might have kids and 2 jobs and you couldn't make it to certain places around the world, you can actually hop in the metaverse and do that. So it'll be beneficial in more than one way. It's just people got to figure out their ways as they getting in touch with it, getting in tune with it. But yeah, so with all that being said, we're going to go over a lot of these subjects on my OnlyFans. And right now, I'm encouraging y'all to get in tune now. Right now, you can subscribe for $25 a month. Limited time. I will be uploading content daily on my page. You will have access to me. Questions, I will be answering them. Also, $100 FaceTime calls for 10 minutes. Like, exclusive one-on-ones. Get in tune now. Do not wait.
So we're going to get back to showing y'all how to get land in the sandbox, man. / how to buy land in the metaverse. This is what we doing, you guys. So we're going to go to maps. Once we go to maps, we're going to click premium. The reason why you're going to click premium is because premium land is the best land that you can buy. It is in the middle of everything that's going on, you know what I mean? Because you can just buy regular land on OpenSea, you know what I mean? And it's not like the premium land. Premium of anything, if somebody, just like premium gas, the best gas. On Sandbox, you click premium, it's the best land you can buy. So all these white dots that you see on here are premium land. So let me just show you guys. This is the whole map. Let me show y'all the whole map. You can move this right here when you go in and see the whole map of where you want to be placed. All these green dots around it is just people's lots that you can't buy, but you can see some of the land, figure out what's their land, and you can make them an offer. But right now what's available on premium is the white dots. So zoom in. This is Sandbox. This is Atari. I suggest you get your land by Atari, but you don't gotta listen to me. But click, boom, that lands pop up. What you see right here is 114 at -21. This is a land for sale. It's a premium land. So we're going to go to OpenSea. And then when we go to OpenSea, we want to put the land. So, long story short, anytime you are looking for a land, so let's say if I put -99 at -183, when you are on Sandbox, this is what will pop up, and you can buy the land, which says buy now for $9,663.36. This is where your land will be located, which will be a little box of a 1x1. Most people are trying to buy like, 3 to 4 boxes, but you're gonna spend 10 to 25 to 30 to $40,000 depending on your land. Your land comes with nothing on it. It comes plain. You end up building stuff on your land, and when you build stuff on your land, you create games. You can create fun things for people to do so that they can pay you. People can advertise on your land. It's all types of ways to make money with land in the metaverse. But yes, this little dot, which is 1x1, costs $9,000, and then yes, it will go up because it's steady going up. So what you want to do is, if you want OpenSea, Sandbox Assets, and when you go to assets, let me show you exactly how expensive the assets is. Once you buy your land, you might want to buy some assets for your land, and this is what you will see. Okay, let's just show you how expensive this stuff can get. So we're going to go high to low, and some of the stuff you're going to want on your land. You might want a nice crazy pool, but you see that this crazy pool, this small little pool, look at this, to fit on your land perfectly, will cost you $585,000, $658.00. Yes, it gets really expensive in the metaverse. So people make fun of, oh, I wouldn't buy this and I wouldn't buy that. But yes, people are buying this. This stage, you want to host concerts in your metaverse? This is something like a stage you might need. So you can invite rappers, you can invite singers, you do seminars. You into education and you want to do education seminars, this is a stage you can put in your land, which will continue to go up in value.
What if you could learn about anything in the world just by bringing it closer to you?
Sushi restaurant, which is 75 Ethereum, is $219,000 for this sushi bar. You feel me? So you get a sushi bar, little sushi bar on your land. You know what I mean? You can make an offer, you can buy it now, but you see it's $219,000. So just let y'all know, man, this metaverse stuff is real. It's all types of stuff that you can buy. You can buy, portraits. You can buy slides. You can buy, this guy's DJ booth, 10 Ethereum, which is $29,000. You can buy sports cars. Just all types of different stuff you could buy. So I definitely wanted to show y'all this and put y'all up on game about that. But right now, finna go into the Sandbox Maker. This is a mansion that comes into Sandbox. This is not the mansion that I'm gonna be going with, you know what I mean? I actually hired a video game developer to come in and, go crazy on my land, but long story short, this is how big your land is. You got a lot of room on there. You can put anything, like this tree, you can put that right there. You can put a person right by the tree. You can put a car right next to him. You can put a little dog right here, about to attack them or whatever, right? But long story short, and then let me just show y'all how big it can actually be. You feel me? So this is the tree, this is the dog, this is the man, this is the car. Now, this is just standard, but if you have a video game developer come in, they can do whatever you want on your land. You will create all types of stuff that you can do for people to be able to make money. It just can't be boring like this. Like if you're gonna dress the mansion up, you can actually dress the mansion up and give access to be able to walk through here, hang up pictures, have fun, games, whatever you want to do. This is your land, this is the 1x1 that I was telling you guys about. So it gets very fun and interesting once you realize that you could actually build literally anything on your land, and can actually charge people to come on your land just as Snoop Dogg does, So I just wanted to put y'all up on that game.